Back again for a little bit this morning is Daniel Nobles, financial advisor, Edward Jones in Bossier City. Hey, Mr. Daniel, how are you today?
Man, I am good. How are y'all?
Well, all you see, wild rides, stock market roller coaster. You said the other day, you joined us earlier this week, and you said, everybody just kind of pump the brakes, take it easy, take a deep breath. This probably won't last that long. Is the volatility as it was for this week, is that a thing of the past? What's your take on the current stock market condition?
So as far as volatility being done, absolutely not. You need to remember we have these little pullbacks of 5% or more about 2 to 3 times a year. Talking about this particular one, what really was the driving force here, wages increased. People started panicking and they're afraid inflation is going to get up out of control. And then the Fed is going to start raising rates and tighten monetary policy faster than was predicted. Look, that's okay.
Excuse me, pardon me just a second, Daniel.
Yes,
when you
sir.
say people are afraid of inflation, I wasn't. Erin's not. I'm not sure you were losing sleep over those concerns. Who are those people that you're referring to?
Well, if you watch the news and you act solely on emotion, that's a lot of the big headlines that were driving off a lot of this big sell-off. But the underlying theme in all this is that our economy is healthy. People are making more money. This is good things. Our corporations are growing, and our economy is healthy at the end of the day.
The Dow Jones is still well above where it was 1 year ago today, right?
Absolutely. And touching on another little deal on as far as this market dip, technology shares led the fall. They lost the most. Industrials and financials actually helped a lot of the losses. They didn't lose nearly as much. And I want to touch on this because diversification is key. My goal is to preach this every time I talk with y'all.
Spread out my potato sack of money into a lot of places, right?
That is right. And Erin, I will tell you, taking advantage of these last couple of days is key. And your potato sacks of money, I didn't get any calls from you, so I'm assuming you took advantage of this big buying opportunity somewhere.
Well, I like the lumps in the bed, Daniel. I just got. How do folks get in touch with you though if they want to bring their sacks in?
I'm about a mile from Louisiana Downs. My office is at the corner of Shed Road and Stockwell Road, and my phone number is 318-549-9155. And I would encourage all retirees or people that are within 5 to 10 years of retiring, come see me or find someone like me to sit down and go over your portfolio. Now is so important to get the appropriate mix of stocks and bonds that's going to build you an all-weather portfolio to carry you through.